Yeah, this gentleman is 35 years old. He's from Australia, Brisbane. He came to GLOJAS 8 months ago, and this was his picture 8 months ago. A mega session was performed. Now you can see the result 8 months later. 8 months ago, he only has the hair around the frontal area. We have drawn a design according to his preference, each match hairline, and today, essentially 8 months later, we can see all the graft have grown, the angle, the direction, and the density following the international guideline. And around here is the irregularity so that he get a result which looks natural. Mega section was performed, and this is the male skull here.